Suara Dunia Arab untuk Israel.
Refuting Mia Khalifa's misinformation on history.
Israel has only been a state since 1948. Palestine is thousands of years old.
Sorry, Mia, you are wrong. Israel is 3,000 years old, 75 years young. And this is not coming from a Jew, but from a proud Muslim. The prophets of God whom I believe in were Israelites. A significant number of these prophets disseminated their teachings in the land of Canaan, a land which Joshua bin Nun later renamed Israel. And then King David proclaimed Jerusalem as the nation's capital. Yes, Mia, it wasn't Donald J. Trump, it was King David. Even Jesus of Nazareth, Mia, called the land Israel in the Gospel of Matthew. The Roman Emperor Hadrian expelled Jews from Israel, erasing the name Judea. He supplanted it with the Roman Latin term Syria Palestina, which evolved into Palestine. Similarly, the city of Shechem was changed to Neapolis or Nablus, which means in Roman Latin, new city or new place. The Jewish people, dear Mia, are not foreign colonialists in the land of Israel. I wish you'd informed your audience that Israelis and Palestinians ought to coexist peacefully, and that peace is the only way, not marring history or disseminating falsehoods. Please share this video as it may reach Mia and others so that they know the truth. And the truth.
المفقودين شنو الانجاز اللي تحقق؟ هو الانجاز اللي تحقق هو ترهيب للناس في السوشيال ميديا لا تتكلم. خلاص. يعني التبرير الآخر الناس اللي تقتل والناس اللي يتسببون بقتلها من أطفال ومن نساء ومن رجال علشان ما يبي محاسبة يقول والله راحوا شهداء. من يقرر الشهادة؟ من يقرر الشهادة؟ يعني أليس الأولى والأجدى أن يكون في تعليم وحضانة لهؤلاء الناس بدل من أخذ قرارات عشوائية؟ هذا اللي قتلهم، هذا اللي يقول راحوا شهداء، لما يصير القصف ينزل بالأنفاق. هذا اللي قتلهم اللي يقول شهداء هو لما صار القصف ينزل بالأنفاق. اللي أطلق الصاروخ أطلق من قبو ولا خرج وقعد. ليش ما يروح شهيد؟ ليش ما يجيبون عائلاتهم وأولادهم إذا كانوا يقولون عن الشهادة؟ ليش هم ما يستشهدون؟ أولا ليش لازم تموت الناس وتتهدم البيوت عليهم؟ شفتوا التضليل؟ قادة حماس يجب أن يحاكموا على الحقيقة الخطيئة اللي ارتكبوها بحق الشعب الفلسطيني.
I condemn Hamas unequivocally. This is so everybody in the room can understand that I stand on the side of civilians and innocents and not on the side of political posturing. The attacks on October 7th were barbaric, were, how can I put it? They were horrific. They were indiscriminate. They killed women, children, elderly, did not matter. They hit civilian institutions and they hit military targets. And on top of that, it seems it's okay now to grab hostages and take them away and speak about it as if it's an act of war. That is something that we condemn. And we condemned it on October the 9th, I believe, or 8th.
Damai hanya bisa tanpa terorisme. Salam damai dari Fakta Israel.